Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna unboxing Jaehyun, the first album. So I have two version. First is money clip version and this one is keyring version. So let's open up this money clip. So this is the front, side, the back. I really love how the paper, so we have tie band, hair band right here. I really love the paper. So this is how the booklet look like. So we have the first inclusion, Polaroid with Jaehyun notes. Oh, I love this. Cute. Cute. I love this. Jaehyun and his aesthetic. Ooh. Oh guys. So here we have poster. Oh, good, nice. I like this. I like this this picture, these photos. So here, what? Okay, so here's some the lyrics. Oh, it's so aesthetic, guys. Aesthetic. Oh, so beautiful, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. I love it so much. It's like newspaper. Oh. Oh. It's keluar pula. We have stickers. Oh, a lot of stickers. A lot of stickers, guys. Money. Dandelion in the sky. Honestly. There's a lot of blank picture. For the photo card we got here. So handsome. Jaehyun. Cool. It's very cool. Okay. I really love this Jaehyun version, like with the sunglasses. I really love. Oh my god. Oh my god, I really love the picture. It's so good. Oh, so good. I love it so much. Oh, never ending Jaehyun. Cute. city is so pretty. Ah, the city is so pretty. It's so pretty, guys. Like rose gold color. So this is for smoke. This is all the inclusion. Stickers. So we move to the keyring. This is the keyring. Oh, it's the seat. So let's open up. This is like this is the keyring. Oh, so good. Oh, so cute, like this. So cute. I will put in on my phone. So we also have stickers. Nice. Oh, we have a lot of cards. So first we have the photo card. We got these. So cute. So adorable. Jaehyun is so adorable. Let's dance. Jaehyun is so adorable. And we have also another Polaroid. Next, this is photo card set. We got a lot of photo cards, so I think it's very worth it to buy. It's so worth it to buy, guys. Got a lot of Jaehyun photo cards. So it's something that we can scan right here. And this one. Yep. That's all for the keyring. And money clip. Thank you for watching. Bye.